Imagine understanding the vast difference between a cubic centimeter and a billion cubic feet. Today, we're diving into how these measurements relate to each other, revealing surprising facts. Let's start with the basics. 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent to 0 million. A cubic centimeter is equivalent to 0 million cubic meters. This tiny unit can be seen as a cube that measures 1 centimeter on each side. Now imagine scaling up. Billion cubic feet is an enormous volume, about the size of 1,000 million such cubes. That's why converting between these units requires careful calculations. To convert from cubic centimeters to billion cubic feet, you multiply by 0.0000000,000 euro 3 euro 000 a 18,008 30 euro 00 1,000 euro by euro million cubic centimeters is just a fraction of a billion cubic foot. Consider this example. If you have 10,000 cubic meters, it's equivalent to about 283.17 billion cubic feet. This huge volume could fill over 50 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Understanding these conversions can be crucial in fields like environmental science, where measuring large volumes of water or air is necessary for research and management purposes. In summary, the vast difference between a cubic centimeter and a billion cubic feet highlights just how versatile our measurement systems are in capturing both minuscule and colossal volumes. So there you have it, the vast range of volume measurements from tiny to massive. What conversion surprised you most? Let me know in the comments.